Vacuous. Vacuous. Vacuous means mindless, silly, meaningless, or empty, emotionless. For example, she walked out of her manager's office with a vacuous expression on her face. The audience thought that the vacuous speech was a waste of their last 5 minutes. We felt something about him was off because his eyes were vacuous and dull while speaking such comforting words. So next time something is silly, emotionless, or mindless, why not use the word vacuous instead? Hit the like and subscribe buttons for more videos like this.